Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Curious channel and another static tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to know the concept of moment. Let's get started. As you can see, for knowing this, I want to use of this 2D body. I mean this. As you can see, there is a force F acting on this body, and we call, and this point F tend to rotate this body about 0.00, and we call this tendency of rotation about 0.00 by force F as a moment or torque, and this is the concept of moment. And the magnitude of moment is the magnitude of M is the force of F times D. D is the distance perpendicular from point A, I mean this point, to point A, sorry, and this is the magnitude of M. And now how can we find the direction of this moment? For doing this, we curl our fingers about the tendency rotation, and our thumb pointing in the direction of the axis of OO, and that was all. I hope you all enjoy this video, everybody, and if you like it, please sub the channel to motivate me to create more videos for you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much.